Hey there, insurance shoppers. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs that I've picked up over my 8 years as an insurance agent. Buckle up, because these insider secrets might just save you a bundle. Alright, let's dive right in with the number one mistake that'll make your insurance rates go through the roof. Are you ready for this? It's letting your insurance lapse, even for a single day. I know, it sounds crazy, but trust me, it's a big deal. Here's the scoop. When you let your insurance lapse, insurance companies suddenly see you as high risk. And you know what that means? Your rates go up faster than a cat up a tree when it sees a dog. It's like you're wearing a sign that says, "Please, charge me more." But don't worry, I've got your back. There are ways to avoid this insurance nightmare. First up, set up autopay. It's like having a responsible adult version of yourself handling your bills. Next, renew early. Think of it as insurance for your insurance. Meta, right? And if all else fails, talk to your agent. We're not as scary as we look, I promise. Let me hit you with a real-life example. I had this client. Let's call him Forgetful Fred. Poor Fred let his insurance lapse for just 2 days. 2 days. And guess what? Cost him an extra $80 a month. It's like throwing away a perfectly good pizza every month for the rest of your driving life. But wait, there's more. I've got some bonus tips to save you even more money. First, bundle smart. It's like buying in bulk, but for insurance. Next, raise those deductibles. It's a bit of a gamble, but it can pay off big time. And finally, look into usage-based discounts. If you're not driving much, why pay like you're in the Fast and Furious franchise? So there you have it, folks. The one mistake that can make your insurance skyrocket and how to avoid it. Remember, a lapse in coverage is like a bad hair day. It might seem small, but it can ruin everything. Stay insured, stay smart, and keep those rates low. And hey, if you ever need more insurance wisdom, you know where to find me. I'll be here protecting your wallets and your assets, one policy at a time. Stay safe out there, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insurance insider secrets.